Unit 9. Holiday and Travel. Vocabulary.
Activity holiday. We booked an activity holiday with hiking and kayaking. Beach holiday. They are planning a beach holiday in Thailand. City break. A city break in Paris is perfect for the weekend. Coach tour. We went on a coach tour around Europe. Cruise. They enjoyed a luxury cruise in the Caribbean. Family holiday. We usually have a family holiday every summer. Honeymoon. They went to Bali for their honeymoon.
Learning holiday. She took a learning holiday to study Italian in Rome. Round-the-world trip. Their dream is a round-the-world trip after retirement. Safari. We went on a safari in Kenya and saw lions.
Go sightseeing. We spent the afternoon going sightseeing around the Old Town. Do new sports. I want to do new sports when I travel abroad. Do water sports. We usually do water sports like surfing and kayaking. Go on day trips. During our holiday, we went on day trips to nearby towns. Learn a course or lessons. She wants to learn a cooking course while on holiday. Visit historical sites. We visited historical sites in the Old Town. Visit tourist attractions. They spent the weekend visiting tourist attractions. Watch local festivals. We enjoyed watching local festivals during our trip.
Take photos. Tourists were busy taking photos of the temple. Try local food. We always try local food when we travel. Visit museums. They visited museums to learn about the city's history. Explore a city. We spent 2 days exploring the city on foot. Go skiing. We went skiing in the Alps last winter. Ride a bike. Many tourists ride bikes to explore the countryside. Watch the sunset. We sat on the beach to watch the sunset. Watch local festivals. We enjoyed watching local festivals during our trip.
Talk about a special holiday or trip. You should say what it was, when and where you went, what you did, and explain why it is special to you.
Band 5 sample. I want to talk about a trip I had with my family. It was last summer and we went to Da Nang City. During the trip, we went sightseeing around the city and also visited tourist attractions like Bana Hills. We also went to the beach and did some water sports like swimming. In the evening, we walked around to explore the city and tried local food, especially seafood. We also took many photos to remember the holiday. This trip is special to me because it was my first time to watch the sunset on the beach. I felt very relaxed and happy. Also, I spent good time with my parents and sister, which made it unforgettable.